The next big question, and again it's so, it really, it breaks my heart. I feel so bad when I read this. I cannot imagine what the person is going through, whoever is facing this. It's really sad. And the question is, how do you deal with loneliness when you don't have any friends at all? Like no friends at all. And I just feel like, being human beings, we're like social animals. We need people around us. What do you do in that situation? Because a lot of things that we said over here, it included people, right?
Correct. Yeah.
This is, no one is around you. Like what do you do in that situation?
While talking about loneliness, first I want to define two different terms here: being alone and feeling loneliness. So being alone is a state, physical state, जहाँ पे आप बिल्कुल अकेले हो, कोई आपके साथ नहीं है. Like you are alone at your home, or you are going to movie alone. कुछ भी. Feeling lonely is a internal experience. It's a part of your emotions. It's a feeling, right? That you feel inside yourself. Lonely is like you are not able to relate with the people who are around you. जो शायद आप 100 लोगों के साथ हो, 25 लोगों के साथ हो, 50 लोगों के साथ हो, but you are not able to relate yourself with people.
Yeah, you don't feel understood. Like
you don't feel understood. Yes, correct. When you feel lonely, वो बहुत सारी दूसरी intense feelings के साथ जुड़ा हुआ होता है. When it comes to loneliness, you are just not feeling lonely. The lonely feeling is associated with so many other feelings, like you feel hate towards yourself, you feel regret or guilty about something, you are feeling like I'm not worthy of feeling loved. You don't have to just deal with loneliness, you have to deal with the whole package. What we can do for it, कुछ ऐसे practical techniques हैं जिसके थ्रू हम इस चीज को हैंडल कर सकते हैं. हॉबी क्लासेस या तो फिर ऐसे क्लब्स जहाँ पे आप ज्यादा लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर पाओ, ज्यादा लोगों के साथ मिल पाओ. सो द थिंग इज, हम लोनली फील कर, एज आई मेंशन अर्लियर, कि हम लोनली फील कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू रिलेट आवरसेल्फ विद अदर पीपल. हमारे आसपास जो भी लोग हैं, दे आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग आवरसेल्फ. सो वी नीड मोर पीपल जो आपको समझ पाए, आप जिनके साथ रिलेट कर पाओ. जहाँ पे भी हम रह रहे हैं, जरूरी नहीं है वहां पे हमें ऐसे लोग मिल जाए. सो आपको वो एक्सपैंड करना पड़ेगा अपना सोशल सर्कल, जहाँ पे आप ऐसे लोगों के साथ मिल पाओ जो आपकी एक्चुअल फीलिंग्स को समझ पाए, अंडरस्टैंड कर पाए, और वेयर यू कैन रिलेट विद देम और दे कैन रिलेट विद यू.
आई वाज फीलिंग लाइक दिस and then I did not know what to do. Like I just acted randomly, impulsively. I went for some classes which I would never do ever in my life. It was not in my bucket list. It was not like something that I thought I would do someday in my life. It was not really like my passion project, nothing. It was not in my life anywhere. I just did it and I joined calligraphy classes. Okay, like something, I don't do it a lot now also. So it was like a phase that I had. And what happened at that time is I met new people. And the biggest thing that happened at that time is I could see that my world is not just that, the place that I am in.
Yeah.
My world is not just my room. The world is huge. And there are a lot of types of different kinds of people in the world. Even if there is someone who you thought would understand you, but they are not understanding you and they're not being with you, they're not the only people in the world.
Correct.
There are a lot of people in the world. There are a lot of opportunities in the world, and the world is really big. So if you can just increase the, as she said, like expand your social circle in your head, your life,
Your life.
and as she said, like join hobby classes or like
clubs,
like whatever it is possible. Join Discord servers right now because
Discord
of pandemic.
servers, yeah.
There are so many Discord servers. You also, I think, if you can like join classes, it's not your hobby at all. Something very new, something completely opposite from what you actually do. Because a lot of times, how yesterday we were talking about vibing.
Vibing, correct.
Even if people are totally different from you, you vibe with them.
Yeah.
We were talking about this yesterday, and she was telling me, Komal, that a lot of times you only tell whatever you were saying. Yes.
So we were talking about vibes and energies.
Right.
So it's not necessary that you share similar interest or similar attributes of personality, or you share similar thoughts about certain things, but sometimes your energy matches, your frequencies like match. और वो ऐसा मैच क्रिएट होता है कि यू फील लाइक हमें साथ में रहना है. I really feel good when I am with this person. So it's not necessary that you are sharing same experiences or same personality, but sometimes it happens with totally different kind of personality or person. You really vibe well. You share similar energies, energies. Age no bar, religion no bar, nothing, gender no bar. It's not about all these things. It's just about energies and vibes.
Abhi it just hit me that because loneliness, see, being alone, you need to go out physically. Because being lonely is a feeling.
It's feeling.
You don't actually have to even meet the person to actually not feel lonely, because it's not a physical thing. It is a feeling, it's an internal thing. For example, right now I don't have YouTuber friends, okay? I am not in that place right now, okay? But there is this creator, Catherine Manning. Our lives are very different, but at the same time I've just seen her struggles, like how she came from where she was to where she is right now. And I somehow, when I watch her content, I feel like we're same. You know, I don't feel lonely in my profession. I feel like because she has been through the part where, like, right now I feel like my channel to grow karna is difficult. You know, she has been in that place. For 2 years she had like 300 subscribers. Then in 1 year she went viral. Okay, so, and because of her work ethic, it was not luck, it was nothing, it was because of her work ethic, and these things I feel so relatable,
correct.
So for that reason I feel like she's with me and I'm with her.
Correct.
I don't feel lonely. Even though I don't know her, we have never talked ever like before, but that feeling is not there that you're lonely.
Correct.
So I feel like, you know, these things, YouTube channel, books, you know, you can read books, you will not feel lonely. If you're reading fiction, you read Harry Potter world, there's a whole other world out there. So if you're feeling lonely, I think these are the kind of things that you can do.
It's not necessary that you share your things with other person. It's not necessary that the other person share his experiences, her experiences with you. It's just about how you feel with each other.
Right.
It's just about the comfortable space you create for each other. That is why we were talking about vibing and vibes and energies. There may be friends जिनके साथ आप खूब सारी बातें कर रहे हो, शेयर कर रहे हो, but you don't feel like to be with them for long time. You don't feel like कि आप उनसे सारी intense चीजें शेयर करो या उनके साथ रहो लंबे टाइम के लिए. Right?
Exactly.
So it's about energies. हमें कुछ energies attract करती है, कोई person की vibes attract करती है, and वो आपको तभी पता चलेगा जब आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को मिलोगे
and you like try new things and you explore new things. Exactly.
Yeah.
I think this happens a lot of times. If there are two friends, okay, now both of them are going through something in their life, right? But a lot of times this one person may be wanting validation from the second person. अब the second person is facing issues in their own life. तो वो कैसे
validation
the other person. So वो time पे
they are not in a mindset, that space that they can provide you this that kind of emotional support.
तो हाँ, बहुत time पे when they are okay, they will help you. When they are not okay, तो क्या करें? And one human being, how much can they do? Especially your teenage friends or your teenage enemies also. They are also your age only. They are not way more mature than you or something. They're going through their own shit also. So if we can increase our self-worth, if we won't need, like we obviously we do expect some of it from our friends, but if you don't make friends just for that, then you will get people that will support you in any situation.
It's totally normal to expect validation, acknowledgement for your emotions, and expecting emotional support from other people. We are social beings and we all seek emotional attention, emotional support and emotional validation from other people. It's just about balancing these things. Like इतना एक्सट्रीम पे हम दूसरों पे डिपेंडेंट ना हो जाए कि हमें हर बार हमारे इमोशंस या हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस को वैलिडेशन मिले, उसके लिए दूसरों पे डिपेंडेंट रहना पड़े. Like it's just about balance, but it's totally normal that we can expect emotional support and attention from other people.
Right. The next question related to this is, I think this really breaks my heart that such young people, like they're so young, they have to, I don't know like what kind of difficulties they have to go through, and they have to face all this, you know. I feel so bad. I feel I just wish I could do something for this, but I got comments and messages about teenagers feeling suicidal and having suicidal thoughts, and they don't know how to deal with it. And मेरे को बोलते हुए भी अजीब लग रहा है, like you know, if I actually think of what is going on in their mind, I'll cry right now. You know, it's too much.
It's really
pressure.
Very difficult phase.
It's too much sadness in them. So
no one can understand this phase completely.
Right.
जो फील कर रहा है, जो इस फेज को गो थ्रू कर रहा है, उसी को ही समझ में आ रहा है कि ये कितना डिफिकल्ट है टू डील.
I've never been in such a situation, but when things get very, very difficult, I feel like there's a slot of, there's a phase, a certain slot of time where you're like, I'm going to do it. And if that slot passes, there's still, I mean, I'm not saying that it probably like completely heals or something, but I feel like it's still, you get a little bit of strength to move ahead as much as possible. But what do you do in that slot when you're having those thoughts and it's strong and you don't know what to do?
When you feel like ending yourself, it means you are feeling worthless, helpless and hopeless. And these three feelings are like very intense. इतना इंटेंसिटी ज़्यादा होता है कि you just think about like your life, you are not worthy of living this life, you are not worthy of receiving love from people who are there in your life, and you just want to end your life, right? So this high intensity feelings are really difficult to manage at that time. Now there are two things. First thing, like ending yourself, and another thing is harming yourself. Self-harm, it's like harming yourself emotionally, physically, psychologically, in any way. Hurting ourselves is different than these thoughts, ending our life. Ending our life, like we don't see hope at all. या कुछ बचा ही नहीं है हमारी लाइफ में. वो एक ऐसा पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पे हमें अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना है फ्रॉम दिस थॉट्स. दिस इज द ओनली वे जिससे आप अपने आप को उस टाइम पे हैंडल कर सकते हो. उस टाइम पे जो भी पर्सन आपको मिल रहा है उससे बात करो, उसको रीच आउट करो, अपने आप को डिस्ट्रैक्ट करो. जो भी ऐसी चीजें आपको मिल रही हैं, जो एक्टिविटीज आप कर सकते हो, उसमें अपने माइंड को डाइवर्ट करने की कोशिश करो ताकि थोड़ी देर के लिए आप ये थॉट से हट जाओ. अगर रीअकरिंग थॉट्स हैं ये, तो उसके पीछे का रीजन हमें एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ता है. यू कैन रीच आउट प्रोफेशनल्स, यू कैन रीच आउट द पर्सन जिसको आप अच्छे से ट्रस्ट करते हो, जो आपको गाइड कर पाए, एंड उन चीजों को एक्सप्लोर करो कि व्हाई दिस थॉट्स आर रीअकरिंग. देयर आर सो मेनी हेल्पलाइंस अवेलेबल, एनजीओज हैं जिनको आप रीच आउट कर सकते हो उस टाइम पे, अगर आप एकदम से अकेले हो एंड यू डोंट फील लाइक टू रीच योर फ्रेंड्स और टू टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स, राइट? तो उस टाइम पे ऐसी बहुत सारी हेल्पलाइंस है जहाँ पे आपको बात करनी है. एंड इस तरीके के थॉट्स अगर आपको बहुत आ रहे हैं, रीअकरिंग है, यू कैन स्टार्ट जर्नलिंग. जैसे ही आप वो थॉट्स को लिखते हो, एक्सप्रेस करते हो, वर्ड्स में डालते हो, इट बिकम्स मोर क्लियर इन योर हेड, एंड वो क्लैरिटी के साथ इट बिकम्स मोर इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम. कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जहां से हम ऐसा फील कर रहे हैं? इज देयर एनी पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन और एक्सपीरियंस जिसकी वजह से ये फील हो रहा है, या मल्टीपल सिचुएशन एंड मल्टीपल एक्सपीरियंसेस के बेस पे आज इतनी इंटेंस फीलिंग्स हुई है?
I feel like I don't know if this is the right thing to say or do or whatever. It's just, I'm just saying this from like a very personal, like from my heart kind of a place. Like me, take me like as your friend at that time who really, really, really loves you. that if you're feeling like this and you can see it, move your body. I feel like your body and your mind are connected. Just move your body somehow. Like,
correct, yes.
Just go walk. Just I know it's not impossible to dance at that time, but just move your body. Just do this, like do anything, shake it, like do something and distract yourself from that. Because if you can just go through that phase, there is a lot that we can do, and there are so many people out in the world, including me, including her, like so many people who care about you so much. So many people that have dedicated their lives for you, like literally for you, to take care of you, and you can reach out to them. But I know that it's very difficult to think like this when you are in that space. When you're so in that moment, just do something and distract.
Just distract yourself.
Anything.
Here, grounding techniques actually works.
Exactly.
So grounding is like using your external senses and distracting your mind in like current situation.
Right.
So when you are feeling like ending yourself, what happens? You are stuck somewhere. Maybe in past, maybe in future. Somewhere you are stuck. You are not in present condition. Right, you are not in present situation. So what you have to do, you have to just bring yourself here and now. उसके अंदर physical movement आ जाएगा, आपकी sensories को use करना आ जाएगा, आपकी feelings को वहाँ से यहाँ distract करना होगा basically.
Exactly, right. Like shout in a pillow, like tear pages.
Punch.
I don't know. Do anything. Just do anything. Like break stuff. Who cares? Like just break a mug or something. Just distract yourself, please. Because once I'm telling you, once you get over that phase, we are here. A lot of people are here for you, and we will take care of you. You know. So, yeah, that's what I think. From this, we come to the last question of the video, which is a lot of people, like for example, even people who have suicidal thoughts, but other people also who know. I mean, they can feel like they have some issues going on, but they do not have enough resources to reach out to professionals,
correct,
to reach out to therapists. Also, very fairly enough, like the whole therapist profession, they do charge a lot, which is fair, obviously, but at the same time, a teenager doesn't have money, you know. A lot of times we are not able to talk about it to our parents, you know. So what do we do in those situations?
Teenagers or young adults, they start diagnosing themselves by their own like मुझे ये है, मुझे ये हो गया है, मुझे वो हो गया है. They just read out stuff on Google. इधर उधर से हमने सर्च कर लिया. I'm having this disorder, I have this. So first thing, only a trained professional is the best person who can actually tell you कि आप कौन सी चीज से सफर कर रहे हो. It's just not about illness. हर बार कोई ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि बहुत बड़ा डिसऑर्डर और इलनेस ही है. It may be like कुछ ऐसा मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यू भी हो सकता है जिससे हम इजीली डील भी कर सकते हैं. देयर आर सर्टेन फैक्टर्स जिसके बेस पे ये डायग्नोस हो रहा है, लाइक सिंस हाउ लॉन्ग यू आर फीलिंग, द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ योर फीलिंग्स, और द पर्सनालिटी फैक्टर्स, लाइक किस तरीके के ट्रेट्स आपके हैं, हाउ यू आर डीलिंग विद दिस थिंग्स, एंड द एनवायरनमेंट इन विच यू आर स्टेइंग और लिविंग. ये सारी चीजों को ध्यान में रखते हुए दे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड देन दे कम टू द कंक्लूजन कि हाँ ये चीजें हैं जिससे हमें डील करना पड़ेगा और जिसके लिए इस तरीके की ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत है. सो नेवर डायग्नोस योरसेल्फ गूगल पे से पढ़ के और खुद से ही, लाइक इसको ये है, मुझे भी इसी तरीके का फील हो रहा है, मतलब मुझे भी ये चीज है. नहीं, डोंट डू दैट विथ योरसेल्फ.
एग्जैक्टली. आई फील लाइक again, it's not against the content creators that do this, but okay, wait. So it's not against the content creators that create reels where they mention that if you have certain what do you call it, symptoms, then you have this mental health disorder. Nothing against them. They're trying to help you if you cannot reach out to professionals. But a lot of times, again, the same thing that happened with the relationship memes, we just relate ourselves to them. It's just like, I will have a headache and if I Google it, it will show me I have shit too. Okay. I have cancer. I feel like that is what happens until unless you're like really good with research. And at teenage, I can assure you, you're not that good with research. Okay, I have this really big thing against people who are making reels about these stupid websites which can diagnose your mental health disorders. Yes, they suck. Okay, I hate them.
You know what? This reels or the content over internet, whatever we read or we get through research or by reading books or whatever, all these things are for your awareness. Take it as a knowledge. Right, you don't have there is no need to diagnose yourself उस knowledge पे से knowledge gather करो, think about it कि क्या मैं इस तरीके के experiences से suffer कर रहा हूँ और am I experiencing this signs and symptoms, and then take help of any good professional जो certified है ये diagnose करने के लिए.
In any case, just stay away from those stupid quizzes.
Yes,
you know, तुम्हारे personality.
You don't know how much those quiz and tests are valid.
Exactly, and if your friends or anyone around you is doing it, stop them also as much as possible. Like if they still force it, of course you can't do anything about it, but try to. Like we have to do this, okay? I've seen such reels get lakhs and millions of views. That's horrible.
Yeah,
that's
correct.
not right.
Yeah.
I mean, again, the therapists that are trying to give you the knowledge, or the books that are giving you knowledge that's so different that can help you, but these quizzes are stupid. I'm getting too angry about it, so let's move on to the next part about it. Yeah.
When any professional is suggesting you to read certain content, उनको पता है कि वो कितना सही है, कितना गलत है, या कितना आपको जरूरत है जानने की. Right? Sometimes it happens you are in a emotionally overwhelming situation and you are reading this kind of stuff, और वो और ज़्यादा difficult हो जाता है आपके लिए अपने आप को संभालना. So don't do that with you. We as a therapist and psychologist sometimes use this kind of tools like test and assessment, psychometric test, but we use very authentic and reliable tools and content
for that individual.
For that individual, it depends on person's personality, the symptoms that person is feeling, and the intensity of those symptoms. On the basis of these 3 to 4 criteria, we decide which test is really required.
And what do we do if we are not able to reach out to a professional?
There are so many professionals or therapists who really consider this issue and they give concession or maybe they give free therapies to teenagers. बहुत सारे ऐसे NGOs हैं या helplines हैं, जैसे राहत हो गया, सुकून करके community है. I'll share links with you.
Yeah, I'll put it in the description.
जहाँ पे बहुत minimal charges पे या तो फिर free therapies available है. जरूरी नहीं है every time you need a professional help. उस टाइम पे आप अपने आप को संभाल लेते हो. There are some tools जैसे कुछ practical techniques हैं जिनको अप्लाई करते हुए आप बहुत सारी चीजें खुद ब खुद सॉल्व कर सकते हो, रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो. अगर आप कोई प्रोफेशनल से हेल्प लेना चाहो तो स्कूल काउंसलर्स, कॉलेज में बहुत सारे थेरेपिस्ट को अपॉइंट किया जा रहा है आजकल. दिस इज द बेस्ट वे टू गेट हेल्प. वन मोर थिंग, बहुत बार ये होता है कि स्कूल काउंसलर के पास जाएंगे तो दे विल शेयर your stuff with other students or with other teachers.
Right.
No. We are bound with some ethics. हम कुछ वो ethics के बेस पे वर्क करते हैं, so वो confidentiality हमेशा रहती है. Whatever you are sharing with your counselor, that remains between you and your counselor only. Legally, correct. Yes. Even they won't share these things with teachers. They will take your permission if it is actually required कि कुछ चीजें उनको टीचर्स के साथ शेयर करनी है, then they will take your permission. It is really very courageous. You are really taking help from someone. It doesn't make you weak. ये हमेशा याद रखना है. ये आपको और ज़्यादा strong and courageous बना रहा है.
Once you do get the help and once you do feel better, you're just going to love yourself so much for doing what you did, and you will realize how powerful you are.
Correct.
That you did this. And the other thing is, I completely understand the fact how we're not able to trust school counselors or even like Google. Like if we go on Google, we do get helpline numbers, but we can't trust them, which we completely understand. That is the reason we will put a few links in the description. Komal knows them, like it's verified, so it's a good resource for you guys, so you can check check it out. And when it comes to your counselors, it's law, it's legal, so they're there for you. So you don't, try not to let the fear stop you from getting the help that you want.
The only thing that you need to keep in your mind when you are approaching some professional or taking help from a therapist, how are you feeling in that space? Are you feeling validated? Are you feeling safe? Are you feeling accepted? Then the person is totally right for you.
Alright, I think that is it, Komal. Thank you so much for all of this. The video took way more time than we thought, by the way, guys. And we have done so much for this video. I traveled, I came to Komal, and Komal, she actually went out of her way and she, cleared her schedule for us so that we could shoot this video properly. I'm so grateful.
But I'm really feeling glad कि हमने एक बहुत सही content deliver किया.
Right,
it might be, वो काफी helpful हो पाएगा.
Mostly, I really think so. And the purpose of the video was basically to normalize all these things. Especially when it comes to teenagers. Like, if you're an adult, and see, mental health is easy for no one. Obviously, all of us are going through shit. Everyone has to deal with their own stuff, so it's not easy for anyone. But we do understand that it is a little more difficult for teenagers, and that's just how it is. So if you're an adult watching this video, you should see the amount of shit that they have to go through when they're teenagers, and try to be as soft and kind as possible to them. If you are a teenager, you have to understand that we are there for you. A lot of people are there for you, and you are already very, very loved. So slowly and slowly, if this video helped and you can use the content for yourself and increase your self-worth and everything, you will be at a place where you will allow all the love to yourself, and the love that is already there, it will just reach you. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much again, Komal.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe, bell button. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye. You also do this. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.